Make a great choice today with the 2025 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.